some markets, and checking what's up, what the markets are saying this week, and at least from a technical perspective, technical bias, how are we looking this week. So yeah, let's get to it. So right now I'm on NASDAQ. So yeah, we can see that this is the first time in a while that it's the first time in actually forever that we've had such a pullback such as this. But you know, it all comes down to everything that's happening in the world currently. I'm not logged into my main trading view here, so most of the things are very different, but we'll make a way to make everything work. So yeah, there's been a lot of fear in the markets recently. We've had the Russia and Ukraine situation. Beyond that, we've had inflation, which was bound to happen because of how money was being printed during the lockdown. And you know, it's either they raise rates or we risk going into a recession. So the Fed is in a tricky place, and no matter how they react to it in one way or the other, the market is going to show some fear. So yeah, what we can see here on NASDAQ, which NASDAQ, US30 and the S&P, they all move the same. What we notice here is that we have a nice downtrend. Yes, the brush, because here we got the first touch, we got the second touch also there alongside it, we got touch 3 and touch 4 here. So more or less what would we'd be looking for, because the market is a bit overstretched, but you know, I'm not here to predict. It's just an analysis, just an idea of what could possibly happen. You know, from my point of view, I would be looking for where's that thing? There's that thing I'm looking for. Okay. So here I would be looking for something like, at least for it to touch this low, which is the monthly. It's been a while since it came to those lows, and at least come to resistance somewhere here as we continue the downside. But preferably we are looking for strength around here for the NASDAQ. Let it continue going high and performing the way the NASDAQ and the S&P performs, you know, going with higher highs, and you know, always giving at least a 10% return, you know, every year on year. So we can't have a negative year. We have to hope that everything goes well and we are able to break this downward pressure and continue up. So let's give DXY a look. DXY, this is, for whoever doesn't know, this is the dollar index. This is just the overall look of the dollar. So whether you're trading pound dollar, whether you're trading Aussie dollar, whether you're trading dollar yen, it's all linked to the DXY. So what we do notice here with the DXY is that the DXY is pretty stretched out right now. Let's check how it looks on the monthly. Actually, the point it is at right now has acted as resistance in December 2016, January 2017, and also last month, yes, April 2022. It topped out right at this level, just 104.044. So fundamentally, the US dollar, the DXY, is looking very bullish, I won't lie. But having said that, it's too bought right now. If you're looking to buy, you've already missed out on majority of the move. So the best thing to do best thing to do is to wait for some kind of pullback. So how we get a pullback, let's just do this. We'll be looking for a pullback to what is deemed the golden zone being this. This is the golden zone right here. So we've already identified our golden zone. We don't need all these extra colors. So the idea here is, even though the US dollar is bullish, even from a fundamental perspective, which at a later stage I will do a fundamentals video, what we're looking for now is some kind of retracement. Not that the USD is selling off, just something healthy before we can get that pressure to at least break the highs of last month and this month too, you see. So definitely lastly, let's just give gold a look. XAUUSD. By the way, how I trade here is not everything. This is strictly a rough first video of the technicals of how I do my own technicals. It's a rough first video. My mic's messed up. I'm gonna work on that. For anyone who's watching the video, I'm going to work on the mic, and yeah, I just have to work on a couple of things. But yeah, this is basically what's up. So yeah, we've been seeing a lot of upward pressure with gold, and what we do know with gold is when there is a lot of fear in the markets, people tend to buy gold because gold is something that's actually physical, and you can take it and put it inside your thing. So at a time where people are removing their money from stocks, they're removing their money from crypto, they are removing their money from even real estate, now they end up buying gold. And so that's why